amazing voxels, with 40 traits and 10k variations, 10 different bodies, skin colors, accessories such as glasses, headphones, different hairstyles, 10 different t-shirts and 10 minimalist backgrounds. I've created everything in Blender using my favorite style, low poly voxel art. The concept was inspired by Minecraft, Roblox and sandbox games. If you want to create your own NFT collection that you can sell on NFT marketplace such as OpenSea, and you need some help, then feel free to contact me, because I can create for you 100% original 2D or 3D NFT collections. Human realistic 3D animal character, low poly voxel art, or even Minecraft or Roblox objects. Anything, from 1 to even 100k variations. All NFT collections include metadata, ERC721, Solana, and Cardano. Enjoy!